Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block explicit sites from iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up your settings, and from there you need to find screen time. As you can see, it's right over here. Click on screen time, then go to content and privacy restriction and turn this on and enter a password. From there, what you want to do is click on content restrictions, and then you will see web content. Click on that, and then you can click on limit adult websites. And of course, as you can see, limit access to many adult websites automatically. Specific allowed and restricted websites can be added below. So if there are some websites you want to add or specifically remove, you can also do that by clicking the add website button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.